Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come with me to Chatham Mall. So it's 6 a.m. and we decided to go to Chatham Mall, basically just to go there for the day and to have a good time. So we ended up stopping in Orange Walk to change some money, and to be honest, I don't know why we changed it there because it was the same thing that you would get once you reach the border. But either way, we changed our money and then we stopped for some tacos, and honestly speaking, I was really disappointed. They say that Orange Walk tacos is the best tacos, but this one that I've had is actually the worst, and I would never try it again. At least not from that shop, because it was not it. But your girl had to eat and she did not want to waste her money, so I had to just force it down, and thank God for it. Since we left so early in the morning, the road was pretty clear and we actually did not take long to reach the Corozal. It was a very nice and smooth ride and everything just went so well. So once we got to the border, we had to come out. Only the driver was allowed to stay in the vehicle. Everyone else had to come out. So we came out to get our passport stamp. I took a quick bathroom break and then we headed back into the van to go over to the other side, which is Chatham Mall. Once we got here, we had to fill out their immigration form, which was a pretty fast process. Just that the line was long, but it's a quick process. And then we ended up in Chatham Mall. If I see something that I want, then maybe I might get it. But so far, I'm just in Chatham Mall, walking around, taking a look in different stores, until we're ready to go and get something to eat at the mall, and then we'll see what's up with that. I've heard that the Starbucks just opened over the weekend, which was this weekend right here, so it's newly open. So we're gonna go and try the Starbucks in there as well. So the Starbucks in Chatham Mall is now open and they have a drive-through. Isn't that amazing? Anyways, come with me to Starbucks. And of course, the line was super long. We spent about 45 minutes to 1 hour in this place, literally. Not gonna lie though, it's a really beautiful place. It gives you a nice vibe. It gives me like a vibe to just come and have like a coffee date or just a chill date. If you want to see the rest of the video, head over to my TikTok. You'll find the video there. Once we were done, we headed to the mall and I basically got something to eat. I decided to go with Domino's because I was so confused as to what to eat. And then once we got done with that, we went shopping and then we headed home. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe to Anta's vlogs. Always remember to stay true to yourself because there's no one in this world that is better than you. Until next time, guys. Bye!